Hi guys, today I want to take a look at these Chapman Guitars Strap Locks, just how to fit them. They came as standard with my ML3 Pro Triton, and I just want to show you how to attach a strap to your guitar very stably with them. Right, so they come, well, one part is already screwed into the guitar in my case, but I'm sure if you bought a set on their own, this would be separate and you'd have to screw it in. So we'll leave that as is. So then you get this part here, and it's basically just a fixture with a washer and two nuts, if you can see that. So we're going to unscrew the two nuts, drop them like an idiot. And remove the washer. Then take your strap and then feed that through this, and then add the washer. And then screw that whole thing together. And now you should be able to connect it. So in order to connect it, there is this kind of locking pin in there. So you pull this part here and that retracts the pin. I can get footage of that. Yeah. So you just pull out that part there, unlock it, and then slide it over this so that it locks in place. There you have it. Now your strap is securely locked to your guitar. So, cheers for watching. Please like and subscribe and check back next time.